Hello everyone. Today we are going to know the trick that how we can remember the most important writer's work in chronological order. So nowadays they ask the chronological order, and with the chronological order mean with the publication date of the works you have to know the magazines in which these works were published. So first, we are going to know the trick to remember the works in chronological order, and in second way, we are going to check that the publication magazine in which these works published. So today I take Dickens' work. They always focus on Dickens' work. So let's know in a uh, storytelling method. I am going to give you the trick to remember the chronological order. So there are some Pickwick papers. In these Pickwick papers, one little boy, Oliver Twist, and another little boy also, who is Nicholas Nickleby, they want to write something. So in the Pickwick papers, Oliver Twist and Nicholas Nickleby, two boy, they want to write something because they want to run the old curiosity shop. They want to run the old curiosity shop. That's why they wanted to write in the Pickwick papers. So why they want to run the old curiosity shop? Because they want to go the Barnaby Raj. They want to go the Barnaby Raj, and they want to be like Martin Chuzzlewit. So they want to go Barnaby Raj to be like Martin Chuzzlewit, and then they made the Dombey and Son. So from the beginning, there are some Pickwick papers. Oliver Twist and Nicholas Nickleby, they want to write on it because they want to run the old curiosity shop. Why they want to run the old curiosity shop? Because they want to go the Barnaby Raj, and in the Barnaby Raj they want to be like Martin Chuzzlewit. Then they made Dombey and Son. With Dombey and Son, there was another boy whose name is David Copperfield. So they made David Copperfield also. Then with them they want to go the bleak house. So they go in the bleak house, but they don't know after going the bleak house they will face the hard times. So they now facing the hard times, but now there is a pure girl whose name is Little Dorrit. So there is a pure girl whose name is Little Dorrit, and she gives her an solution. She told them a tale of two cities. So she told them a tale of two cities. After hearing it, they have the great expectations. So they now have the great expectations to be good, and then they became our mutual friend, and they try to solve the mystery of Edwin Drood. They then try to solve the mystery of Edwin Drood, and that's all. After that, there is another work that they want to go the Italy. So now from the beginning we have to know we have to check the uh, publication date and then the magazines. So first there is Pickwick papers. They want to write in Pickwick papers, and it came in 1837. So it came in 1837 in monthly numbers. Then there is Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist, it came as a serial, and it came in Bentley's Miscellany. So it came in Bentley's Miscellany, and the publication date is 1839. So the publication date is 1839. Then Nicholas Nickleby came. You know, Oliver Twist and Nicholas Nickleby both want to write in Pickwick Papers, and it also came in monthly numbers, and the publication date is 1839. So from April 38 to 1839. Then they want to run the old curiosity shop. So in old curiosity shop also, it's published in Master Humphrey's Clock. So it published in Master Humphrey's Clock, and the publication date 1841. It's also a weekly serial. Okay, it's also a weekly serial, and it published in Master Humphrey's Clock. Then they want to go in Barnaby Raj. So it's also a weekly serial, and it's also published in Master Humphrey's Clock, and it came in 1841. Then they want to be like Martin Chuzzlewit. So they want to be like Martin Chuzzlewit. It is also a monthly numbers, and it published in 1844. Then they made Dombey and Son. It's also a monthly numbers, and it the publication date 1848. Then David Copperfield, they made Dombey and Son and David Copperfield. It's also a monthly numbers, and it came 1850, from 1849 to 1850. Then they want to go in Bleak House. Then they go in Bleak House. They went in Bleak House, and its publication date 1853. It also a monthly numbers. Then Hard Times, they faced the hard times, and it was published in 1854. It's a weekly serial. Then they met Little Dorrit. Little Dorrit will going to tell them the story, right? So Little Dorrit published in 1857, and she told them the series, the tale of two cities, and it was published in 1859, and it was a weekly serial and published in All the Year Round. Remember the name, All the Year Round was the journal. Then they have the Great Expectations. So they have the Great Expectation. It also a weekly serial, and it was published in 1861. And they become mutual friend, and it published in 1865. It also a monthly numbers. And at last, the Mystery of Edwin Drood. So they tried to solve the mystery of Edwin Drood, and it was published in from 1870 to September to 1870. So that's all. I hope you will like this trick. If you like it, please support me by like and subscribing my channel. I will bring such videos like that.